How to use Bing's free image creator to generate AI images on mobile. Download Microsoft Bing from the App Store, such as the Play Store or any other app store available on your device. Once the download is complete, open the Bing app. Image Creator generates AI images based on your text. Sign in or sign up for an account before using the AI chatbot. After logging in, click on the Bing logo at the bottom center and try asking it to create an image. Now let's see the AI-generated images. You can also share, save to a collection, and download the created image. Let's try another request. Next, let's ask it to create an image with a specific art type. That's how you can use Bing Image Creator on your mobile device. Thanks for watching.